Greetings, greetings, greetings. So, uno hear enough sitting about the things them where Jesus did say and where Jesus did do. But uno still a wait for make up uno mind about whether uno a go trust in him or not. Tell me something. We not really a wait pan. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want enough people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you not do it yet, then now the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, for make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 11 from verse 1 to verse 15. When Jesus done tell him 12 follower them what to do, him left this up and start teach and preach in a them town. Now, when John dey in a prison and hear about the sitting them where Christ Jesus did a do, John sent some of him follower them to ask Jesus, are you the one we should look for? Or we fi look for somebody else? Jesus answered them say, go tell John we no hear and we no see. The blind can see now. Crippled people a walk. People will have sickness, we make their skin fussy. Them skin come back good. Deaf people are here now. Dead are come back alive. And the good news are preached to poor people. God bless the people them when I tap trust in me. Just cause me no go on how them think the one where them a wait pan for go on. As John follower them a left so, Jesus start talk to the crowd about John. Him say, what kind of somebody wanna they go out in the desert for see? Somebody we can't make up in mind like tall grass where the breeze a blow this your way and that the way. If I know that, then I wanna go out there for see. One man will dress up in a fancy clothes. Look, you know. People were out in a fancy clothes, live in a palace. So, I wanna go out there for see. One prophet? Yeah, me I tell you no. And him a more than one prophet too. A John it a talk about we need to write down say, look, me will send me messenger for go on till you come. Him a go get people ready for you. Let me tell you this. John the Baptist bigger than anybody we ever born from one woman. But even the lowest somebody in a God kingdom bigger than him. From John I preach till now, wicked people are try fight against God kingdom, and powerful people try to force and take it over. Cause all of the prophet them and Moses law too did talk about what go happen right up to John time. And if we know ready for take what me I say, then hear what me I say. John a Elijah, the prophet who know I wait for. Anybody will have ears, Better listen good. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.